Alright, so I just got my P360 Ultra back from the Lenovo warranty service. So right now I will assembly the P360 Ultra in my office. Okay, first I take out the P360 J6 base here, and this one is come from the original way of the Lenovo packaging, and I just follow it. And first, I will take the tab from the bottom here because we will and I will take it down back down to here. Okay, so now it's a main board from P360 here. At first, that's I sliding the front first to here, and then I gently put it down until it's going to the position. Hang on, hang on. It's taking time. So you take this one now. You take this one and you push the front first to the hole, and you slide in the back of the main board to the position carefully on this side, and then you try to push in the front to line up to the hole. Push it until it slides in right here. Alright, now we will screwing the with the M3 head screw. For this one, the Lenovo providing the property. The screw that's is little different than the one from the markets, but if you need this, you can got the M3. In you have to remember that it's a M3 and it's a flathead. Alright, so right now we need the screw and first. Oh, alright, now I will screw the main part to the chassis base. If you normally I not using a glove because it's doesn't need this and Lenovo and it's easier to feeling but because I thinking making video YouTube need professional, so I wearing a glove just for the show. No more. And if you say something about the ESD or something, the main part already have the rotation from that, so yeah. Alright, another screw. I believe that this will be the only one of a video that I will take to the day that's about the assembly PC because this channel not about assembly the PC. And if you mention about why it's having like the spot like the rust in the screw hole in the main part, Honestly, I don't know because when I got that, I already have it having it look like that when I got from the service, and they only guarantee that the main part is work. So well, I will not complain this. I already reporting to the IT service. I yep, this this one is unprofessional service, but as you can see, so sorry about the screw that's going out. Also because I normally don't wearing a glove to this one, so I kinda sloppy right now. And with this one, is the last screw it should good to go. For me, I love about this B3 Ultra because that's only one things. That's one of the ITS main board. That's they have two GPU size, so it's a very good one. This smart board is a Dursa Sport, so don't worry about that. Okay, right now I will plug in first is the speaker port. The speaker will connect to here. Alright, so it's near the power button. Hang on. Okay. You actually you don't need the switcher. The switcher is just to push it down like this and done. So connect to the speaker is done already. And for this one, we connect to here. Honestly, I don't know about this. What is this for? They say that this one is for the letter for the chase cover, but later on, as you can see here, it less. This one here is the last one, and if you saw right now, I will connect it to that's a hole. Hang on. And for this whole this part here is for the SSD fan, and here is for the SATA ribbon, the SATA ribbon to connect the external SSD. But we will come back later. All right, so yeah, that's how you so yes, that's how you get the main board to the JSIC, and now I will put the CPU inside and the RAM and other stuff. SSD. First is the CPU. In here I have is a P360 Ultra. So they have they only support Intel 12 Intel 12 generation. They don't support the 13th generation on the BIOS. So even it's have a same GPU or something like that, it just will not work. And I tried it before, it will become black. And the reason why I put something like that is because it's just like well, you got the Office PC and you have a opportunity to test it, then why not? All right. So first, you, you just align the CPU inside with, and you based on the whole. It's just like a normal. Just slice in, put it. Don't try to push it like that. It just you align and drop it and done. That's done. Just like normal. We will clean the CPU later. It's have a bad cleaning service, but well, oh well, not my problem right now. Okay, and done the CPU, and you just leave it like that. As you can see here, you see that the fan hole, the CPU fan screw hole is on the CPU bracket. Because of that, you cannot buy the CPU contact RAM like the normal PC. Because there is no hole that you will take to the fan or something like that. But as an engineer, I thinking that this way is some kind of better. Because if CPU is wearing out, then you can just replace the CPU brackets and done. It's good for the long time run. And right now, for the SD, it's using the sodium DDR file, which is in short, it's the laptop RAM. And for the Lenovo, I got here is my leftover laptop RAM that's from other laptop, 16 GB. As, as you can see here, it's try to making like that to space saving, and you just slide in right that. Okay, and done. And they have to RAM slot in the back too. That's in the newer model. That's the B3 Gen 2. The B3 Gen 1 is still similar like this B360 Ultra, but for the B3 Gen 2, they only have two RAM slot. That's I believe that's it's on here on only. Actually, I'm not sure because I only meet the B3 Gen 2 Ultra in the Lenovo staff show. Uh, Okay, moving on. So this part here is for the Wi-Fi card, but I don't use Wi-Fi, so let's leave it alone. So right now I will plug in the SSD. As you can see, in for the SSD, they already have a have the instead of a thing that will require the screw in the back. It's already have a plug here, but it's also very annoying because when when you're using it for so long, it will stuck. So it will stuck inside because of the heat. So yes, and this one is the thermal pad that's for the SSD. It's have two job. First, that is holding the SSD in the long run, and also it's take a thermal in the back of the SSD. So if you want to take it out, you will need a heat gun to hit in this pad little bit to make it take out. And honestly, I already testing this thermal pads, and the thermal pad that the Lenovo issue to average stop in here is a very good one. Okay, so you just plug the SSD here, one, and the second one will be here. This thermal pad is very sticky. Alright, okay. And now for the SSD. Here is the SSD fan module that they come with this. It's very reliable. And the thermal pass here is very good. Honestly, there are no reason for you to change the thermal pass. Alright, take it and now slide it in. You align here first and then you slide it down here. This one is just no purpose, so you just slide it and boom and done. You don't need to do anything else. And for the fan, oh, I forgot the fan. The fan is in here. Crazy how much they uh, simplify the process to assembly this PC. Alright, so you got everything, and now I taking the CPU first. First, that you using the thermal base. This one right now I using the thermal GZ one. It's but if you are on the beginner side, I recommend the Noctua one. And for this one, because if you say that's why you done using the dot in the middle or some sort like that, because this one is the long CPU. So the file dot system is will be easier. On the CPU fan here, when they got it first to me, they already got the thermal paste and thermal bath here. But in this one, and they issue it already, so you just slide it in and done. And this one have a copper in the middle and aluminum outside. And it's for the car E5, E7, I5, I7, or I3. If for the system that's city that 125, like the I I5 100 one one to 600 K or some short like that. I recommend you use 125 fan. Okay, first aligning the CPU. You just slide like this, and so one of the things that I very amazed on s- this one on this hissing that's at that time this one is the only OEM system OEM ITS PC that's have the hissing that's vapor chamber. So in short, it's a better in cooling the CPU in the run. And for you, if you asking why I not using the PTM thermal PTM 7950 thermal bath, because I just love to use the thermal base. That's all. All right. So now I slide in the CPU. The fan part is over here in the top of the PC, and you just slide in like that, and you slide in the fan with it. This fan is actually not original, come from the B360, but it's for the ThinkStation B3 Ultra Gen 2, which is commonly newer. So the fan is have a different design. That's instead of the small fan, it's have the what the fan that have a very small blade. It's the system that's make it very easy to clean. And now I just okay. Now just wiring to it make look better, and remember the panther tab. You just slide it so it's look little better. All right. So yeah. Okay. So and now for this one, because this one is the engineer system, so I slide in the RTX 2008, and as you can see here, this one is the bracket support for the GPU. This one is my design from the 3D printing, because they only design for the A2000. So and for the A2008, they have the very different with the whole backplate like this, which is make not compatible. So right now you just slide in. If you are making for the RTS 3 3060 low profile or the something like that, here is the GPU short that they have a modding that's making this one as power source. But we normally for this one we're not recommending for the low profile GPU for the gaming, because the cooling system on the gaming is difficult on the system. So the workstation card that have a fan system diagnostic like this one is more better. Okay. So for this one first, that you make sure for the bottom one to go to the this hole. This one it have a really weird that's instead of the whole PCI city that's they have the MSMS port like the laptop, and then you have a card riser like this one, and go to the GPU, which is a little weird. And only this port here is support the 16. So if you using the A2000, it's only support on this port only. The port in the back is will be the RTS 2008 or the newer one, but not A2008. Okay, so we just line. You hear the click, and it's go inside here, and for this one, it's go here, and done. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. And now, I slide in this basic cover, and we are done. For as you can see here is the whole B360, and the GPU it should be in the bottom side, this one. And as you can see, there is no fan or there is no inhale hole for the fan for the GPU in the backside. So if you're adding for the RTX 360 low profile GPU, you have to customize the cover. But on the B3 Ultra Gen 2, they already resized the cover that have a hole right here, so that you can plug in the low profile GPU gaming for the better gaming. But still, with the liminal workstation like this, it's still not recommended. Okay, so yes, I done assembling the workstation. Thank you for watching.